the row, please. Shri Sunil Advani ji. Suhina Sindhi Pune, an alliance of Global Sindhi Association, popularly known as AXA, पेश करे रहियो आहे असांजो 27th सिंधी सम्मेलन हिते पुणे में। त एतिरी ख़ुशी आहे तव्हां सभिनी जा ख़ूबसूरत चेहरा ॾिसी करे, छो त ॿिनि सालनि खां त असां MASKS पाता हुया, त प्लीज़ एक्स्ट्रा स्माइल हुजे, छो त असां सभु हिकु थिया आहियूं। The entire world is one today. वाह, त अचो इन ख़ूबसूरत मौक़े ते असांजा होस्ट जे न सिर्फ़ु 3 सालनि खां बल्कि यो विजन ॾिठो इन्हनि, ये सपनो था ॾिसनि लॻभॻि 5 सालनि खां कि असांजो सम्मेलन हिते पुणे में थिए। स्वागत आहे असांजे ऑनरेबल प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ सुहिना सिंधी पुणे, डॉक्टर पितांबर पीटर दलवानी सर, our internationally recognized entrepreneur and जेके सिंधीअ जे सेवा में पंहिंजो तन मन ऐं धन ॾिनो अथनि।
साथियों, कॾहिं कॾहिं तमामु ज़रूरी थी वेंदो आहे कि असां महिमाननि जे लाइ लफ़्ज़नि जो इस्तेमालु कयूं। असांजी दिलि जूं भावनाऊं जेके हूंदियूं आहिनि उहे लफ़्ज़नि जे ज़रिए महिमाननि ताईं पहुचनि। तव्हां सभिनी जो स्वागत त आहे, पर पीटर साहब केॾे दिलि सां केॾे भाव सां हीउ सम्मेलन आयोजित कयो आहे, इहो पंहिंजे ज़बानी में ॿुधाईंदा, पंहिंजे लफ़्ज़नि में ॿुधाईंदा। त स्वागत उद्बोधन लाइ आमंत्रित आहिनि डॉक्टर पीटर पीतांबर दलवानी साहब।
सर, तव्हांजी स्माइल सभिनी जा दिलि जीत कंदी आहे, त बसि मैजिक जी शुरूआत हिते थी रही आहे। तव्हां सभिनी सां रिक्वेस्ट आहे, तव्हां सभु एतिरा ख़ूबसूरत था लॻो अजरक में, त प्लीज़ पंहिंजी अजरक ज़रूरु पायो, छो त असांजा हिते ग्रुप पिक्चर्स सॼे विश्व में वेंदा। थैंक यू।
जय झूलेलाल सभिनी खे। मुंहिंजा देश विदेश मां आयल महिमान दोस्त जिते हिते सभु वेठा आहिनि, असांजा मंच ते जी दीदी कृष्णा अॼु न अची सघिया आहिनि, सुभाणे ईंदा साईं राजलाल जी ऐं सभु सिग्नेटरीज़ जेके हिते वेठा आहिनि, मां उन्हनि जो सभिनी जो शुक्रगुज़ार आहियां। हिते आया आहिनि, असांजी हौसलावंदी कई अथनि। सुहिना सिंधी ऐं अक्सा जे तरफ़ां मां सभिनी जो तव्हांजो वेलकम थो कयां। मां उहो बि माइक ते घटि ॻाल्हाईंदो आहियां, त मां वंस अगेन तव्हां सभिनी जो वेलकम थो कयां। ऐं मां हिकिड़ी ख़ाली रिक्वेस्ट कंदसि असांजे सिंधी भाउरनि खे कि जिते बि असांजे सिंधियुनि जा मेला लॻनि था, त वॾी तादाद ते असां हली करे उन्हनि जी हौसला अफ़जाई कयूं। भले 200 माण्हू हुजनि, 300 हुजनि, 500 हुजनि, जेतिरा असांजियूं मीटिंगूं थींदियूं ओतिरियूं असांजियूं मीटिंगूं थींदियूं, ओतिरा असां यूनाइटेड थींदासीं। त मां सभिनी असांजे सिंधी भाउरनि खे देश विदेश में रिक्वेस्ट कंदसि कि असांजे इनकमिंग जनरेशन खे बि हौसलाबंदी कनि कि भई अचनि, त उन्हनि खे बि असां अॻियां वधायूं। ऐं मां पंहिंजे सभिनी डोनर्स खे बि थैंक यू कंदसि कि भई अहिड़ा सुठा कार्यक्रम में उन्हनि अॻियां वधी करे असांजे कंधे सां कंधो, शोल्डर सां शोल्डर मिलायो आहे। मां वंस अगेन तव्हां सभिनी जो शुक्रगुज़ार आहियां। थैंक यू। जय झूलेलाल।
थैंक यू वेरी मच पीटर भैया, महिरबानी, दिल सां महिरबानी। तव्हां सां अर्ज़ु आहे कि पंहिंजो स्थान ग्रहण कंदा। साथियों, इन खां पहिरीं कि असां महिमाननि जे स्वागत लाइ हलूं, तमामु ज़रूरी आहे कि हीअ जेके ऑर्गेनाइज़िंग संस्थाऊं आहिनि, अक्सा यानी कि अलायंस ऑफ ग्लोबल सिंधी एसोसिएशन ऐं सुहिना सिंधी, इन जी ॼाण सॼी दुनिया खे हुजणु खपे। अलायंस ऑफ ग्लोबल सिंधी एसोसिएशन वर्तमान में जंहिं नमूने सां सॼे ग्लोबल लेवल ते सॼे संसार जे कुंड कुर्छ में कमु करे रहियो आहे। अॼु हिते भले असां 600-700 सिंधी मौजूदु आहियूं, पर सही मायने में इहो आहे कि हिन 600-700 सिंधी सभिनी देश जे संसार जे सिंधियुनि खे प्रतिनिधित्व ॾेई रहिया आहिनि। मां इन लाइ शुक्रगुज़ार आहियां अक्सा जी, जिन जे सहयोग सां इहो संभव थियो, जिन जा वाहिकार हिते पहुता आहिनि। ऐं मां ॾाढे सम्मान सां इनवाइट करणु चाहींदसि अक्सा जे प्रेसिडेंट श्री ददुक शाहराई के अचन ऐं पंहिंजो उद्बोधन ॾे. I would like to invite Mr. Daduk Shaharai to please come on the stage and please have a round of applause for Mr. Daduk Shah जिन जी रहनुमाईअ में मलेशिया में इंटरनेशनल सम्मेलन आयोजित थियो हो ऐं ॾाढो सफलतापूर्वक आयोजित थियो हो. असां सभु उन जा साक्षी आहियूं. सम्मान सां इनवाइट करणु चाहींदसि ददुक शाह साहब खे.
President of the Alliance of Global Sindhi Association, popularly known as AXA. Asanja founder of the Southeast Asia Sindhi Games, jite Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, Philippines and Thailand ma sab asanja youth and youngsters hikuti kare games ji competition kanan and yo khoobsurat vision huyo asanje honorable president jo. Asanja immediate past president and trustee of the Sindhi Association of Malaysia. And let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, asanje sabni sindhiyun te garv aahe. छो त जॾहिं असां सिंध छॾी असां जिते बि वियासीं उते वसिजी वियासीं. त मां तव्हां सभिनी खे चवणु चाहींदमि 300 खां बि मथे लॻभॻि 350 साल असांजी जेकी पुरानी कंपनी आहे राइट फ्रॉम 1689 उन्हनि जा असांजा ऑनरेबल प्रेसिडेंट CEO and partner of Eat and Ravenscroft, which is phenomenal. So thank you very much, yes sir.
Thank you, Suhina. That was a very long introduction. Thank you. Hari Om, Jai Jhulelal, sabhi jo swagat. Tawa sab thik aayo. That's my Sindhi. Namaste to all. Before I begin my speech, we, AXA and Sindhi Pune, showed 6 blessings of His Holiness Sai Sadaram, Sai Rajesh Modi, to bless the 27th International Sindhi Sammelan. Chacho Sai. To the organizing chairman of the 27th International Sindhi Sammelan, Dr. Peter Dalwani, his most hard-working committee, to the founder of the Sindhi Council of India, Mr. Suresh Keswani, to the Sindhi Council of India National President, Mr. Mohan Das Ladani, to my fellow AXA family, the immediate past president, Ms. Ramala Motwani, and the past president, Lal Motwani, and Dr. Dayal Mistry, and all our board members, respected elders, distinguished guests, and the members of the Sindhi community present here. First of all, I'd like to say Jai Jhulelal and namaste to all of you. On behalf of the board members of Alliance Global Sindhi Association, also known as AXA, the Suhina Sindhi Pune board members, especially Dr. Peter Dalwani, I'd like to welcome you to the 27th International Sindhi Sammelan in the beautiful city of Pune. Before I go further, I would like to request all of you kindly rise and observe a moment of silence to our 2 important personalities of AXA, our beloved co-founder and a lifetime chairman, late Dada Prem Lalwani, and our board director, late Dada Ajay Daswani, who has departed to the heavenly home. May we all pray that their soul rest in peace. Can you please rise and observe a moment? Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Thank you to you all. This is my first visit to Pune. I must say that I'm truly impressed by the warmth of the people and the city. The Alliance Global Sindhi Association is proud to collaborate with Suhina Sindhi Pune under the leadership of Dr. Pitamba, also known as Peter Dalwani, and his dynamic team to jointly host with Aqsa, the 27th International Sindhi Sammelan 2022 in this beautiful city, Pune. It is not only the culture capital or education hub, Maharashtra, but is only widely recognized to be the second major IT hub and the most important automobile and manufacturing hub of India. Pune is also the home to many Sindhis who are part of the Sindhi Sammelan mission. I hope to keep my speech short, but I have a duty in my role as the president of Aqsa to discharge the duty and obliged to inform all the delegates present here about Aqsa. It was initiated in the year 1989 in USA. The main object of this Sindhi Sammelan was to preserve the Sindhi traditional language value of the future generation and also closely integrating of the Sindhi community for the purpose of networking and unity. The first Sindhi Sammelan was held in New Jersey in 1994. It was hosted by the Sindhi Association of New Jersey. There were about 150 attendees, all of them from USA. In the year 2005, the Alliance held the first Sindhi International Sammelan outside of US. It was in Mumbai, India. Since then, the Alliance had many Sammelan around the world, namely London, Jakarta, Singapore, India, Ahmedabad, India, Canada, and the recent one in Barcelona, Spain, and many more countries. I also had the opportunity to host the 21st Sindhi Sammelan in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia in 2014. Over the last 20 years or so, since the first Sammelan, the event became a part of the Sindhi calendar of events, which delegates looking forward to this huge gathering of community to achieve the goal and objectives as I mentioned earlier, which benefit our Sindhi community at large. I'm glad and proud to say that the 27th Sindhi Sammelan held in the beautiful city of Pune, which is also known the city of Dada Maswani, commonly known by all the Sindhis around the world. Pune is a hub also known to be the starting point for most Sindhi before embarking and scattering around their homes around the world. This 27th International Sindhi Sammelan is hosted by the under the leadership of Peter Dalwani, who is also the housing chairman of this event, along with his dynamic team, Mr. Mulli Advani, Dr. Bulbul, Mr. Ramesh Chopra Jagwani, Mr. Muru Advani, Mr. Raju Katwani, Mr. Vijay Lakhyani, Mr. Jitu Jadwani, and Rajesh Dalwani, Mr. Raju Katwani, and Moti Milani. I'm very grateful to this historical event witnessed by and blessed by our honorable delegates which are present here today. Coming back to this year's Sammelan, it is a 4 days, 3 days night Sammelan which bring together element speakers and community leaders from India and overseas to provide the perfect environment for discussion, networking, opportunity between all the participants range of topics. In addition to that, this Sammelan will feature the social event which include Sindhi matchmaking and also showcase the Sindhi community, rich culture and entertainment. Please take the opportunity to gain from the discourses and also meet many of our brothers and sisters from the community at the event. A lot of hard work has gone into organizing this event. I must congratulate Dr. Peter Dalwani and his team and all the volunteers involved to make this a super successful. Shout outs to all of you. Please give a round of applause to this organizing committee for doing a fantastic job. Thank you, Dr. Peter. I've always seen the Sindhi youth as a driving force to organize in the Sindhi community. In Aqsa, we have now inaugurated the International Sindhi Youth Day, which falls on the first Sunday of every year of June. I hope the youth will use the event to create a platform for the youth to integrate and collaborate and to success in the vision in venture and undertake and to celebrate the day annually. Sindhis have come from a long way since the partition in 1949. Many say that we are stateless, but I have a different view. Sindhi have able to assimilate and become the citizen of the world. We Sindhis are everywhere in the big round of applause to all of us who have played a role in making the world as our state. I would like to say round of applause to all the Sindhis. You people have made the world as our state. Before I conclude my speech, I would like to share with you the two personal visions of mine. Deep in my heart, I wish to bring the Sindhi youth from all over the world together, to be united through sports and games. Like I have founded the Sindhi Southeast Asia Games, which has been a great success. Now I wish to extend this game globally, like the Olympics game, and we can call it our very own Sindhi Olympic Games. One fine day we are going to do that. The next vision that I have, a savor on humanitarian ground, and the name should be Global Sindhi Food Bank for All. Under one umbrella, it is for the noble cause, and it should be globally, so that this project for the benefit can be implanted, and this center should be seen and recognized by the United Nations and the whole world. We Sindhis are doing our part in humanitarian ground. I hope to achieve this vision for our community. I wish Sindhis the best in everything you do, and may Saint Julilal bless all of you. Have a good time in this Sammelan. Before I end my speech, I'd like to thank all the guests, delegates from taking the time and effort to make this event possible. And one big thank you to respectable dignitaries and also all the delegates for gracing this event. Jai Sindhi, Jai Julilal. Thank you. It takes a very long time, but I have to do my duty. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much from the bottom of the heart. तव्हां एॾा सुठा लफ़्ज़ ॻाल्हाया, एॾा मोटिवेशनल लफ़्ज़ ॻाल्हाया, उन जे लाइ तव्हांजी घणी घणी महिरबानी।